Okay, so we want to label each point with a red circle. Okay, first of all, use swing face, then do Y. Okay, do semilog. Okay, and specify it from the blue line with to label each point with a red circle. Okay, so open your MATLAB. Okay, this one I think I let you to do it also. This one also, log. Okay, last one, number 5. Okay, this one I haven't discussed it earlier. Number 3 and 4, we will discuss it later. Okay, we will discuss it maybe next class. Okay, and also number 4 is a 5, but it's now is log base 3 to x. Okay, with suitable domain, so it's up to you to find your x and also your y limit. Okay. Let's look at question 5. Plot the graph time to x for x between negative 2 pi to 2 pi. Number 6, cosine x but with absolute value x between negative 2 pi to 2 pi. Okay, and plot the function here. This one exponent. Okay, so we have to do 4 exponent negative x and fx is equal to 2. Okay, at the same plot. Okay, so this one. Okay, so which one we have to do a graph of tangent. Okay, this one is a bit tricky for you, so I share it in tips. Okay, so this graph, okay, this graph is, we have a template for this. Okay, we have a template for this for tangent. Okay, so which is we need to do a bit of looping here. Okay, so we know that x is between 2 pi, negative 2 pi to 2 pi. So I create around 601 value. So we use tan 2 times x. Okay, it's tan 2 times x, okay, then I put a looping here. So I need to do every x. Okay, every x, and it said that we have to point, what is it? Oh no, okay, no, then I put is a bit of marker, okay, and start at origin, and okay, this is a tick label. Tick is like the label of x-axis. Okay, so I make it every negative every pi. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Okay, so you see here, this is the tick at negative 2 pi and pi. Okay, this is negative 2 pi and pi. Okay, and okay, marker. Okay, so this one is yk is not a number, so it will be like this. Okay, so it's not a number because tangent graph is like this. Okay, plot as y, hold on. So this one is, has a marker color at negative 2 and also 2. Okay, negative color at 2 and negative 2. You see here, n, xn and yn. x1, y1. Okay, we start at origin. Okay, peak level. Okay, peak level is this one. Okay, at x-axis we have negative 2 pi, negative pi, 0, pi, 2 pi. Okay, so we control x-axis into pi, negative 2 pi, and pi. Okay, y limit, we know that we have an infinite value for tangent, so we control it in between. Okay, it will be between negative 4 until here, 4 only here. We put like 3.9, yes. Negative 4. Okay, then I put x label and y label. Okay, I don't want to put a border, so I put box on. Okay, so if you notice on the bottom, right? You see here, we never used this before, right? before, right? Okay, this is actually the code to plot this, the arrow. You see the triangle here, arrow? Okay, this is to create the arrow here, the triangle arrow here. Okay, so the triangle start at 0. Okay, the triangle here start at 0, then negative 0.2, which is here. Okay, wait, I show you this one first. Okay, how to fill up a triangle as the arrow. Okay, how to fill up the triangle of an arrow. Okay, so you notice here, it start with 0, negative 0.2. So it start here, 0, 0, negative 0.2. And next is 0.2. Here. This one is 0.2. So it will be like this. Okay. Then next is here. We have 3.9. Okay, 3.9, 3.7. Okay, 3.9, 3.7, and okay. That's 3.9, 3.7, and 3.7. Okay, so here 3.9. Okay, 3.7, 3.7, and this one is 3.9. Okay, so we fill it. Okay, so this is how you do a triangle. Okay, so let's say I comment this, so you will not see any triangle. Okay, you will not see any triangle. But now, a mathematics professional graph, it must have a triangle, like the arrow. So you must put this. Okay, so let's say I do the first, okay, you see X first. Okay, so this is the arrow for X, and the other one here is the arrow, the triangle for Y. Okay, is it that's the only way that you can do it? It has the shorter way to do it. Okay, let's say I comment this first. I comment this first. Then I don't have any. Is it right? Okay, so this one like, okay, you can explore more. Okay, let's say insert. Okay, what do you want to put? Maybe title, right? Okay, put here, naked. Okay. Okay, but it depends on the. Okay, nice. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, somehow some question, okay, will ask you to put a code. Sometimes it did not. Okay, okay, but it said that put a code for the arrow, be specific, then you have to put a code. But if there's no specification, you can just use the shortcut way here. Okay, let's say what you want to do. Maybe you want to put, you put x's. Okay. Let's say here, right? You want to put x. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's say you want to put okay, you can try to, okay, maybe you want to put legend or color bar or title or X label. Okay, say you want this one, right? X label, you want to put more X axis. You want to be more specific. X axis. Okay. Okay, so just edit like that. Do you understand? Okay, so yeah, of course, it's shorter way to do. Okay, then arrow you can maybe you want to put like a rectangle or anything, you can do it. Okay, but the thing that I show you this, okay, because okay, you have to know, okay, how to create by your own tool. Okay, so how to make an arrow. Okay, so let's say I close it. So I want to do everything manually. So this is how you do it. The triangle at the axis. Okay, so this is how you do. Okay, so this one without title. Okay, you can learn with title. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Okay, for tangent, this is the code. Okay, this is the code. It's a bit lengthy because we have a looping and we have to specify which is not a number. Okay, because tangent has something that is not in number, so we have to specify it. Okay, can I proceed? Okay, let's look at next question. This one is absolute cosine. Also between x is equal to negative 2 pi until 2 pi. Absolute cosine x. This one is tangent. Okay, it's okay. This is actually previously we have question 5b. Okay, question 5b. This one also is tangent, but we do it in degree. So we use, okay, question 6 I will discuss in next class. Okay, I forgot to bring the code. Okay, so it is between 360 until negative 360 until 60, but this one is in degree. Tangent degree 2 times x. Okay, this one also the same like the previous. Okay, I specify thick label and also the wide label. Okay, so it's the same, but this one is in degree. Okay, this one is in degree. Okay, let's look at question 7. This is an exponent. Number 6, number 1 and 2 I will discuss in next class. Number 7, plot the function exponent. Okay, in the same plot. Okay, this one we have to overlap the function. Okay, this one we have to overlap the function. Okay, let me share this in Teams. Okay, it's the same code, but this one is in degree for tangent. And next is I want to show you, okay, how to use this one. Okay, how to use this one. Y is equal to exponent x. Okay, and another one is y is equal to 2, which is x between negative 2 to 2. Okay, so here is y1, 4 times exponent x. 4 times exponent negative x, and y2 is equal to 2 plus 0 times x. Okay, this this one also you can just put y2 is equal to 2, but I want to include x here. Okay. I leave this negative 2 to 2 for 201 units, and after that I plot everything in the same graph. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, this one without label. Okay, you can put label x-axis, y-axis, and you can also add legend. Okay, this one, my line is only one, width is one, and I use only the colors set up by the MATLAB, which is blue and gray. I can specify the other color as well. Okay, are you following me? Yeah? Or should I make it a bit fast? Okay, in MATLAB, okay, you cannot make it y2 is equal to 2. You have to include your x. You have to include your x, so that's why I put as plus 0 times x. Okay, you have to include x also, because x has been stored to be used in all of your y. Okay, so this is how you do overlapping graph. Okay, overlapping graph for this. Okay, then some of my students said, Miss, because we have two graphs here, can we use hold on? No need, because it's not a marker. Marker, yes, you have to use hold on. Okay, but this one, no need. Okay, any question? Any question? No. Everyone following me? Okay. Okay, now it's 10:50 already because we will have next class. Okay, open your Power Apps.